The best AI image generators you can use for free. 1. Ideogram. This AI image generator excels in creating stunning images with impressive text capabilities. Users enjoy 10 free images daily. 2. Leonardo AI, an excellent alternative to Midjourney. Leonardo AI produces beautiful creative images and frequently updates with new models. It offers free daily generations. 3. Bing Image Creator. Access the powerful DALL-E 3 image generator for free through Bing. DALL-E 3 is renowned for its high-quality images and exceptional prompt editing capabilities. Users get over 25 fast generations daily, with nearly unlimited slow generations. 4. Playground 2.5. This AI tool generates fantastic, high-quality images and provides 50 free generations per day. 5. TensorArt. TensorArt stands out with its 100 free generations and comprehensive AI